where to start, and how to achieve your dream weight.
Losing weight can feel overwhelming.
But with the right approach, anyone in the United States or Canada can make real progress. The first step is to set a clear, realistic goal. Decide how much weight you want to lose and by when. Break your goal into smaller milestones, like losing 5 pounds at a time. This keeps you motivated and focused. Start by tracking what you eat. Most Americans underestimate their calorie intake. Use a food diary or an app to become aware of your eating habits. Focus on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Cut back on processed foods, sugary drinks, and fast food, which are major contributors to weight gain in the US.
Physical activity is key.
You don't have to join a gym right away. Begin with a daily walk, take the stairs, or try simple at-home workouts. Consistency is more important than intensity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week, as recommended by US health experts. Hydration is often overlooked. Drinking water before meals can help control hunger and reduce calorie intake. Many in the USA and Canada mistake thirst for hunger,
leading to unnecessary snacking.
Sleep is just as important as diet and exercise. Poor sleep can disrupt hormones that control appetite, making weight loss harder. Try to get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Stay patient and don't expect overnight results. Sustainable weight loss is about building healthy habits over time. Celebrate small victories and don't let setbacks stop you. Remember, millions of Americans have successfully lost weight by starting small, staying consistent, and believing in themselves. With dedication, you can achieve your dream weight and enjoy a healthier life. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment,
and hit like. This channel is all about health,
medicine, and the human body. This is educational content only. If you experience any symptoms or concerns, please consult a doctor immediately.